dear students, myself Arvinder. I am from GH Khalsa College of Pharmacy, Gursa, Sudan. Today we will discuss how to prepare 0.1 normal sulfuric acid and to standardize it using standard NaOH solution. Why we are using standard NaOH solution? As we know, our NaOH is a secondary standard. So first it need to be standardized using some acid, and we used oxalic acid for its standardization. And there are some requirements. We need analytical balance or the electronic balance for the weighing. We need weighing bottle or watch glass, burette stand, volumetric flask, conical flask, pipettes, measuring cylinders and beakers, etc. For this practical, we particularly need chemicals like sulfuric acid, distilled water for making up the volume, NaOH which is already standardized using oxalic acid, and phenolphthalein which is used as a indicator. There are calculations. First we need to calculate how to prepare 0.1 normal sulfuric acid. वैसे हम क्या करते हैं, जब हमें नॉर्मेलिटी कैलकुलेट करनी होती है तो वी आर टेकिंग इक्विवेलेंट वेट, बट इन द केस ऑफ सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड एज इट्स नॉर्मेलिटी इज ऑलरेडी गिवन, जो लैब में हमारे पास कंसंट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड अवेलेबल होता है उसकी जो स्ट्रेंथ है बेटा वो अवेलेबल रहती है, दैट इज 36.5 नॉर्मल. तो वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग normality of sulfuric acid using this equation, that is N1V1 is equal to N2V2. Here N1 is already given, that is strength of your sulfuric acid which is concentrated and which is already available in the lab. V1 it is we have to calculate, then N2 क्या है, जितनी नॉर्मेलिटी हमने कैलकुलेट करनी है वो क्या हो जाएगा हमारा 0.1 इंटू क्या आ जाएगा मेरा V2 क्या है, जितने वॉल्यूम के लिए मैं क्या है अपना सोल्यूशन बना रही हूँ. तो अगर हम क्या है 1000 ml के लिए बना रहे हैं तो यहाँ पे मेरा क्या है 1000 आ जाएगा. Here I can calculate my V1, that is your V1 is equal to 0.1 into 1000 अपॉन क्या आ जाएगा 36.5. जब हम इसको कैलकुलेट करते हैं it will give 2.74 ml. When I dissolve it in 1000 ml it gives your 0.1 normal of solution. If I half the quantity, this is approximately 1.4 ml. If I am taking it in 500 ml, it is also give your 0.1 normal solution of H2SO4. This is the procedure. Dissolve 1.4 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid in approximately 300 ml of water. Then continuously shake it and then make up the volume up to 500 ml of mark in the volumetric flask. Then this is the normality of your NaOH solution. The weight of substance in gram per liter upon क्या आ जाएगा equivalent weight of substance. Weight of NaOH in gram per liter upon equivalent weight of NaOH. As we know, in the last practical we did the calculations, that is we are taking 2 gram of NaOH in the 500 ml into क्या आ जाएगा 1000 upon equivalent weight of NaOH is equal to 40. Then ये क्या हो जाएगा, अगर मैं इसको कैलकुलेट करूँ 2 into 2 क्या है 4 upon 40, this will give approximately 0.1 normal of solution. This is in this practical we used NaOH that we previously standardized using our oxalic acid. There is a calculations or the table for the burette. Here we quote the initial reading, then our final readings, then the volume used. Then we will calculate our normality using this equation. N2 that is normality of your sulfuric acid, N1 that is already we calculated, that is normality of our NaOH, it is 0.1 normal into V2 क्या आ जाएगा, जितना हम वॉल्यूम NaOH का यूज करेंगे, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड का यूज करेंगे इन द कॉनिकल फ्लास्क यूजिंग अवर फिनोल्फथलीन इंडिकेटर. देन V2 क्या आ जाएगा मेरा ब्यूरेट का रीडिंग आ जाएगा, दैट इज अवर NaOH वॉल्यूम. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द कैलकुलेशन. my burette and I am taking it in NaOH solution and burette is set on 0. This is my conical flask and in it I have taken sulfuric acid 25 ml and I am adding it 1 to 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicator. Slowly I am adding NaOH solution into my acid like this. See, there is a start of reflection of your pink color and I am adding NaOH from the burette into the conical flask having my sulfuric acid. At the end point, we will have permanent pink color. See, this is my permanent pink color and my reading is, this is 23. See, this is my 23. This is approximately 23.2. 23.2. See, my initial reading is 0 and my final reading is 23.2. So volume used क्या आ जाएगा 23.2 ml. Then we start again from 0 and I am going to take second reading. See, burette is already set on 0 on the second time. Now I am adding 1 to 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicator into my conical flask having H2SO4 solution and started adding NaOH solution slowly into my conical flask. This is the correct position how to hold conical flask and how to operate burette. With one hand you had to control your knob of burette and with one hand you need to shake your conical flask. See, there is a reflection of pink color started. This is my permanent pink color. And my reading is 25. See, this is your 25. It is 25.2. This is your 25.2. My second reading is 25.2. So volume use क्या हो जाएगा 25.2 ml. Now I am going to take third reading, adding 1 to 2 drops of phenolphthalein again. Then going to start or adding NaOH into my conical flask like this. You have to add slowly. initially you can increase your flow, but in the middle you have to control it and you have to add slowly. See, there is a reflection of pink color. We have to add till permanent pink color is there. See, this is my permanent pink color. This is my permanent pink color. And my reading is 22.9. 22.9 is approximately 23. Sorry, not 22.9, it is 23. See, this is my 3 readings. This one is 3rd reading and these are 1st and 2nd. My 3rd reading, that is initial reading, was again we set on 0 and final reading is 23 and volume used क्या हो जाएगा 23 ml. Then we will take mean of these 3 readings. First is 23.2 plus 25.2 plus 23 divided by 3. This is our V2 and I am calculating it. This is your 71.4 divided by 3. This is your 23.8. So our V2 is 23.8. Here 2.5 is divided by 23.8. And see, our normality is 0.10. See, the normality of prepared sulfuric acid is exact, that is 0.10 normal. So in the result you have to quote that normality of the prepared sulfuric acid in the lab is noted to be or is reported to be 0.1 normal. Thank you, students.